Hi there, Andrew Thompson, Precision Market Trading. We did a video last week on various currencies. This is just an update of how it's gone since. First one is the A dollar, NZ dollar. We're very keen on that. Very strong time for 1440 trading days with a major top over here down to the low, along with a desert man and a few other things. So we went long down here. We got out here on Friday, like I said on the XJO video, bit of time there. Spring equinox, a few things that I didn't like to be going long into. A lot of people seem to think I'm some mad punter who loves buying tops and selling bottoms. Well, I'm pretty good at that, but I also like confirmation. Not so much breakouts, but I like higher lows or lower tops to really get going. So I've taken a fair bit of profit out of here in this little section here. This at the moment technically is still making lower lows, so there's no higher bottom here, so I'm happy to take that. I'm happy to wait for it now to come down and make a higher bottom. The profit here basically means when I enter somewhere over here, my stop is covered. I will not have a stop that big. I've taken that much profit, but there was my initial risk. So I basically made 3 times my risk on this trade. That will cover for me when I re-enter over here. So basically, unless we have a Swiss franc situation like we did at 18 months ago, my risk is limited to nearly zero. So I will wait till that comes back down. We do have a little bit of time up here. There's a desert man floating around, but nothing much else. So I'll let that drift for the while. Next one we have here is NZ dollar, US dollar. You knew from last week I was very keen on selling this. We've done that. We've had all the time here. We've come down. There's the hook, just like in the XJR video, and now we're breaking down. So this is looking good. This will come all the way back down to here. There's all the good stuff up here as always. The greens, the reds. The greens, as you know, are 233. The reds are all the desert mans, and the blues, when I put a blue line on, basically the 144 sequence. So I try and color code them easily for me, and if you're taking notice, it'll be easy for you. So this is looking good too. Still in that. Now here we have the great British pound, Japanese yen. This is what I showed you last week, just on 288 bars down here, twice 144, then 288 days. So that's going well. That was up here when I posted that. It's got nearly 900 pips in that now, so it's doing very, very well, that trade. Next one is Great British Pound Euro. Same stuff. There's your 288. There's your Desert Man down at the bottom on the low. The previous chart, the Desert Man was the midpoint because it was double bottom. This is a standalone bottom. So you have to look at a lot of trades in different currencies and they change their shape. So here we have Desert Man at the low. We have a 288 at the top and a big spike low down. We're not trading this market, but we're watching it to see how it goes. We also show the equality here. 88 down, 8 down, and 89 bars across. Coming to this one, US dollar, Japanese yen. Now we like this. We like this a lot. This, unlike the NZ dollar, Aussie, is making higher bottoms. I have one low, higher low, higher low. And getting all the numbers. Like I said, there's your blue. There's your twice 144 at the low. There's this green, 2 times 233. There's your red from the spike low, exact desert man. And over here, 467 bars, 2 times 233. So we are liking the look of this. So we've made money on the NZ Aussie. We're making money on the NZ US. And now we're looking to enter on the US dollar, Japanese yen. Basically, I don't see the Japanese central bank. I don't see the Americans are going to want to see the Japanese yen break 100. It makes it very bad for Japan's competitiveness, and it doesn't do much for America. So I see a lot of intervention down here, but that's just noise, it's just talk. We here at Precision Market Trading look for numbers. So once again, next week we'll have a look at how this went, but I'm very keen on this. Bye for now.